Riri arutwo aria mari mbere kwambiriria mathomo ma CBC mari grade ya gatandatu na magitanywo guthie junior secondary mwaka ukite. Kamiti ya kwandika Arutani TSC ni ikoretwo ikiarira mitaratara itiganite na umuthi makiruguria mubango wa guthomithia arutani ngiri mirongo itandatu a thukuru cia secondary mathomo ma CBC niguo magakorwo maharirikite kwamukira arutwo acio mwambiririo wa mwaka ukite. Arutani aya ngiri mirongo itandatu aria maumite thukuru-ini cia muingi cia andu kiumbe na cia aria mari na mawatho mathomithio mabatie guthie kaunti-ini itiganite niguo guthomithia arutani aria angi. TSC igitanya guthomithia arutani othe a secondary mathomo maya ma CBC ni undu wa junior secondary kuona gukinyeria riu arutani 229,292 a thukuru cia muthingi ni mathomithitio CBC.
And we have also trained college tutors so that then as they train trainee teachers, they impart them with the skills of CBC. I know that you'll be going to the counties to train the TOTs and finally to the sub-counties to train teachers. Macharia kiuga ruhonge rwa kigina ni ruthukiire TSC shiringi bilioni 1 iria ikuhuthika hari gukinyaniria mubango uyu kuria o thukuru ihetwo mweke wa gutuma arutani atandatu niguo magathomithio. Macharia kiuga riu ni ihinda makorwo makirutithania wira na thukuru cia kimabũrũri iria ikoretwo igithomithia mutaratara wa CBC kwa ihinda riu. Training will be carried at the county and sub-county level at central venues identified by the TSC CDs. We should now start working with the international schools to ensure that we benchmark with them and that they also form part of this training so that we move forward as one country.
Ruhonge rwa KICD rukiuga onaruo ni rugukorwo rukinyita itemi riao hari gutigirira mathomo maya ma CBC ni makinyanirio.
All the schools have curriculum designs which, as far as we are concerned, have been successfully distributed to schools, with apologies, except perhaps designs for special needs education, which we have just finished adapting and which are going to be ready in the next 2 weeks.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa Kesha Kahindi Muli akiuga ni marari na hahu ya uria mekuhota guthomithia junior secondary no riu thutha wa guthomithio CBC ni magakorwo makihota guthomithia arutwo acio guku akiuga ni maramaka kuona magakorwo makiamukira ciana nini kimiaka uria matamenyerete.
We may not only be expecting 12-year-old children, we may be getting some who are as young as 10. Of course, that's poses a challenge on how do we handle, the training of a secondary school teacher vis-a-vis the training of a primary school teacher are a little bit different.
Ruhonge rwa githomo kia mwanya kise makiuga ni mahimbiirie mutaratara uyu mweru wa mathomo wa CBC kuona riu ni maraigwa magikuruhanio na makagia na mweke.
The readiness by the TSC for rollout of the junior secondary school, Madam CEO, we are grateful because in September
Ngiri Kamiti TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.